Alright guys, we have here Fortador Pro Max A010641 2024. Okay, it came to Repairments. That's what was changed. That's a diesel filter. You can see inside it's completely dirty. So let's change the diesel filter. Let's change it two steam gun connectors. So small connectors as well. So machine is already 20 bar pressure. Everything is good. I was adjusting the air intake. See the level sensors is working. The burner was working. You can hear it. A010641. Burner 0600, and it has 85 hours. Okay. To reset all the errors on the screen, you can see the connectors brand new. The second hose, the issue is with the main connection. That the pressure it can be changed. So maybe it was damaged due to the too high pressure. Somebody stepped here or something was damaged the connector. The pressure connecting the hose to the metal, to the gun. So the whole hose need to be changed. It can be changed just connector. Okay, let's see, it's working. Yeah, I also was sealed the connection here. It's not leaking anymore. You can see it's connected. The hose is good. The connection is good. Right here is good. Wet steam is working. Let's put the wet steam mode. Okay, wet steam mode, working good. Okay, detergent mode. Yep, coming. Detergent mode coming. Okay, everything is good here. Let's see under the hood. Clean up the water filter. It's clean, all good. Diesel filter, brand new. Detergent filter is good. Burner working. Green light. Pressure sensor. Everything is good here. Nothing leaking. Okay. Just keep half open. Adjust it after releasing the pressure. Okay, everything is good, other. So the hose need to be changed. We'll change it all connectors. All good so far.